Hi everyone! Today we're practicing cafe sentences. Ready? Let's go!
I arrive at the cafe. I arrive at the cafe. I admire the menu board. I admire the menu board.
I would like one
order
latte,
a
please.
latte.
Thank you.
I order
Certainly.
a latte.
We'll have that right out for you.
I spell my name.
I
I spell my name.
Thank you so much.
I pay with my card. I pay with my card. I claim my order. I claim my order. I carry my tray to the table. I carry my tray to the table. I connect to the Wi-Fi. I connect to the Wi-Fi. I stir my coffee. I stir my coffee. I sip my latte. I sip my latte. I bite into the croissant. I bite into the croissant. I photograph my drink. I photograph my drink. I type on my laptop. I type on my laptop. I jot down my notes. I jot down my notes. I signal the server. I signal the server. I share the table.
Come join me.
I share the table.
Looks cozy, thanks.
I settle the bill. I settle
Thank you very
the bill.
much.
I close my laptop. I close my laptop. I gather my belongings. I gather my belongings. I exit the cafe. I exit the cafe.
Wonderful! You just practiced cafe sentences. Subscribe for more English practice. See you next time!